I, Tejas Lama, with my co-host Yata Lama of 12th Standard, standing before you to host today's program on the occasion of Ravindranath Jayanti. I request Chairman Sir to please come upon the stage for his valuable words.
He told me to share valuable words. It's very difficult to put Rabindranath Tagore or Thakur into the words. Such a legendary figure who has touched each and every sphere of our life. He has not only brought our literature to the world in the modern era, but also influenced our political activities. You know, when he grew and started writing, whether it is story, whether it is poem, whatever it is, whether it is songs, India was not independent, but his heart and mind was independent. There was no one to block his heart and mind, and so he has written a great literature for all of us. Thank you very much. I really appreciate Bengali department of this school for organizing Ravindra Jayanti. Really, still we have to, I will tell my children to go through his books and learn a lot. Now his literature are not only in Bengali, it is available in all languages in the world. Thank you very much.
Musician and educator. The best education he got was from nature. He played an important role in establishing the Indian culture. I want to share a quote said by Rabindranath Tagore that you cannot cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. Moving towards the event, music is a universal language which brings people together. It has been an integral part of human culture and history. Therefore, I request the singers to come up on the stage for their song Aisa Hai Baishakh.
Jack, Jack. remembering the great creation on earth as well as the most unique boon of our country. The Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. He has put all in his writings whatever he saw. From minute details when he writes, when he pens down, and when we readers, when we sit and read, be it in any mode, we may be very happily grasping one of his books and we sit down to read. We suddenly sum up to his writing and what he wants to write there, what he wants to relate to the readers. It's so easy for the readers, listeners, and the audience who is gathered to see his written dramas being staged on stages, to understand, to be captured by the thought behind what he wrote, what he wanted to his readers and his listeners and his audience get the message from his dramas, be it poems or his short stories or novels. We saw two tiny girls today playing harmonium and singing. They were immersed in the beauty of his writings, his lyrics. Two pretty girls danced, and yet many more performances are yet to come on the stage. But how Rabindranath Tagore happened to be such an immemorable person to be remembered by all of us is again children, the home environment. He grew up amidst literature. His family life, his family's lifestyle itself was all in writing, reciting, singing, music, drama. You need to read many more about him. Visit the school library, and it has become very easy nowadays. You got all the things to be read in your mobile itself also. So please read, find out that how placidly he must have sat and he must have written all those lines, all those short stories, all the poems and the novels and dramas. The sequence of his poems, short stories, dramas, it is so relevant to our life that we feel as if, or we can have imagery right in front of our eyes when we are reading it, as if everything is happening in front of us. So lively did he write, and that's why he's so great, and we have to remember him, and we must really be gathered on such occasions and remember his. I'm very happy today that I'll be still witnessing many of the dances performed by our school children. So thank you to the organizer. Thank you, children.
লুকোচুরি আমি যে দুষ্টুমি করে চাপার কাছে চাপা ঘর ফুটি ভোরের বেলা না গো ডালের পরে কচু পাতায় করে লুটোপুটি তবে তুমি আমার কাছে হারো তখন কি মা জিততে আমায় পারো তুমি দেখো খোকা কোথায় ওরে আমি শুধু হাসি চুপটি করে যখন তুমি থাকবে যে কাজ নিয়ে সবই আমি দেখবো নয়ন মেলে স্নানটি করে চাপার তলা দিয়ে আসবে তুমি পিঠেতে চুল ফেলে এখান দিয়ে পুজোর ঘরে যাবে দূরে থেকে ফুলের গন্ধ পাবে তখন তুমি বুঝতে পারবে না যে তোমার খোকার গায়ে।
ঝড়ের মাস বৈশাখ। এই বৈশাখের মতোই রবি ঠাকুরের জন্ম। সোনার আশ্বিনে নয়, হিমের রাতের অঘ্রাণে নয়, ফুল রাঙানো এই খর ক্ষিপ্র বৈশাখে তাঁর জন্ম। এই খ্যাপা বৈশাখের বৈদিক তিলক দিয়ে সাজানো তার জন্মদিনের ললাট। বৈশাখী প্রকৃতির নতুন জন্ম, আমাদেরও নতুন জন্ম এই বৈশাখে, 25শে বৈশাখে, রবি ঠাকুরের জন্মদিনে। দেখতে হয় না ক্যালেন্ডার, জিজ্ঞেস করতে হয় না তারিখটা কবে। আগে থেকেই বুকের মধ্যে সারা ওঠে, 25শে বৈশাখ আসছে, রবি ঠাকুরের জন্মদিন। বছরে একটা দিনের জন্য তারা নতুন হয়ে যায়। চারপাশে নীলে লালে সবুজে হলুদে রঙিন ফুলের আলপনা।
I am standing before you to motivate and inspire you by few life lessons of our Gurudev. From the national anthem to great poems, the whole country is always motivated and feels proud of Rabindranath Tagore's achievement. The first lesson is to take actions. If you don't take the first step, you will not reach the final destination. Here is a famous quote by Rabindranath Tagore. You can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. So stop overthinking, overcome fear and take the first step towards your goal. The other one is don't lose hope. If you have hope, you have the chance to win in any situation. Winners are always saying, never lose hope. Here is a famous saying by Rabindranath Tagore that motivates us never to lose hope. If I can't make it through one door, I will go through another door. Something terrific will come no matter how dark the presence. If you fail in your first attempt, then try again. Keep trying and one day you will achieve your goal. Don't lose hope. If you don't make it day one, you will definitely make it one day. Rabindranath Tagore also has few words to motivate you in such a situations to become a fearless person. Let me not pray to be sheltered from dangers, but to be fearless in facing them. And let me not beg for stealing of my pain, but for the heart to conquer it. I would like to conclude by advising you to face the fear, make yourself strong to go through the fear and overcome it. Thank you.
বাজে তুমি বলছো দুপুর এখন সবে, না হয় যেন সত্যি হলো তাই। একদিনও কি দুপুর বেলা হলে বিকেল হলো মনে করতে নাই? আমি তো বেশ ভাবতে পারি মনে, সূর্যি ডুবে গেছে মাঠের শেষে, বাগদি বুড়ি চুপড়ি ভরে নিয়ে শাক তুলেছে পুকুর ধারে এসে। আধার হলো মাদার গাছের তলা, কালি হয়ে এলো দিঘির জল, হাটের থেকে সবাই এলো ফিরে।
post to last